How to update firmware of GoPro 10. The first step is using the GoPro Quik app. So just download the GoPro Quik app on your phone and simply sign in. Once you have signed in, go ahead and connect the Hero 10 to your phone. So turn on your GoPro and pair it with the Quik app using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And then make sure your battery is above 60%. Now, once that's done, go ahead and download the firmware. If an update is available, the app will prompt you automatically, and then you can simply install a firmware update. Now, install the update by tapping Update and wait for the GoPro to restart and install the firmware. And then simply turn off the camera and turn it back on. That way, your update would have installed properly. If you face any errors, go ahead and contact GoPro for support or try re downloading the firmware again after a reset on your GoPro camera. All right, guys.